Lost WhatsApp messages on your OnePlus. Whether it's due to a crash, reset, or accidental deletion, don't worry. This video shows 4 easy ways, including Google Drive backups and third-party tools, to recover your chats and media fast. Part 1. Recover deleted WhatsApp messages on OnePlus without backup via expert tool. Requirements: PC or Mac and USB cable. USB debugging on OnePlus. WhatsApp data not overwritten. Grant storage permissions. Android data recovery installed. Quick guide. Open Android data recovery and connect your OnePlus via USB. Enable USB debugging as prompted. Select WhatsApp or attachments and click Next to scan. Preview deleted chats. Select what to restore and click Recover. Part 2. Recover recently deleted WA messages in OnePlus via notification history. Turn on notification history settings. Notifications and status bar. Messages must arrive with notifications on. Check notification history for deleted WhatsApp texts. Only text is recoverable, not media. Part 3. Recover deleted chats from WhatsApp on OnePlus via Google Drive backup. Ensure Google Drive backup exists. Use the same account and number. Reinstall WhatsApp. Verify number and tap Restore. Wait for recovery. Part 4. See WhatsApp deleted messages in OnePlus via WhatsDeleted. Recover messages. Install WhatsDeleted and complete setup. Grant notification and storage permissions. Enable WhatsApp notifications. Use WhatsApp app logs messages. Open WhatsDeleted to see deleted texts or media.